welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? How is it going? So I've gained a few subscribers and I just want to welcome you guys. How are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. I do like hair reviews. I also do hauls, clothes hauls as well, and now and again I'll put a little vlogs in as well, but that's only when I'm on holiday. Holiday, guys. But anyways, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is fine. I hope everyone's doing good. Obviously it's hot again. It's like so hot, like really hot here, but let's not complain. So guys, I've got another one for you. So this one is actually a human hair, and this is from NA Style. Wow. So literally I was trying to look for one of them glueless wigs because I just don't have, if I could be honest, I'm sure there must be a few people out there like me where I don't have time to be doing that glue, you know, spraying that spray and doing the glue. I just don't have time, and that's why I think I always do synthetic wigs, because with synthetic wigs you don't really need to glue it down. But anyways, so I just wanted to get this unit, and so what I did a search on AliExpress and I did glueless wigs, and this came up and they were just having a sale. So I thought, you know what, if they're having a sale, I'm gonna take every opportunity for the sale. And yeah, I'm not really sure if this is a glueless wig. I think they probably lied to me. I think they literally lied to me. So anyways, guys, so this is the NA Style from AliExpress. It's human hair. It's 22 inches. And you know what? I am impressed of the quality. The quality is really, 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 really good, and it's thick, and it's a 13x6 lace front. Now I don't know what that means, but that's what it said. So I'm sure you guys that know about your wigs and stuff, you know what it means. Now it did come pre-pluck, which I was very happy about that. And as you can see in my video before the start of this video, you can see that I always show you what the wig looks like, and you did see that it was pre-pluck. Now the only downfall is I did message the seller and I said, could you do a brown lace? Could you do the brown lace for me? A medium brown lace. And they said, okay, we'll get back to you. Got back to me immediately. When they know they don't do this in brown. Sorry guys, I'm just wiping my face. They know they don't do this in brown lace wig, you know, the lace, because they would have said it on the description. But I just wanted to just check, just in case. You don't know until you ask. So anyways, I did ask them and they did get back to me. It's like, oh no, it's transparent lace. So to be honest, transparent lace on our complexion, if you got this complexion, does not go well. It's more on Caucasian and white skin. But so I had to use my foundation, and that's why I said I don't have time for this gelling business and like this spraying, whatever that thing, got to glue, whatever. I don't have time for that, guys. Not everybody has time for that. No. And I don't like the way how it leaves that after effect. Like you can see, like the other day I had my I had that braided wig on, and my cousin came round for my birthday. Yes guys, it was my birthday. Hey, happy birthday to me. Yes, it's my birthday. It was my birthday. And then literally I thought, oh, let me just try this thing, and I just put the got-to spray on. I did put the got-to spray on, and then not realizing that the got-to spray had literally come down here on the side of my cheeks. So I had it on all day, and then my cousin was like, oh, you got a bit of that spray down there. That's why I said I don't have time. So if anybody knows like a glueless wig on AliExpress, please let me know. But so far it looks good, and please don't knock me, because like I said, I'm not the type of girl that does all this, you know, spraying, having the hairdryer, waiting for it to cool down, then stick it on, and then do what. No, I don't have time. I'd rather go to a salon and make someone do that for me. Anyway, enough of my moaning. So yeah, so I did order this. It took, it literally took, how long did it take to arrive? I think it took like maybe, let's say maybe 12 days or 10 days to arrive. Yeah, so it is, so as you can see here and here, and as you can see, that's what I don't like when you have to color, use your foundation, because it goes on the hair, and that's why I said I don't have time. But I'll continue doing my research to find one of those glueless wigs on AliExpress. So anyway, so yeah, so this is a 22-inch. Could you believe that this is a 22-inch, guys? This is amazing. This is amazing. Like, the quality is, I've got some mousse, and I'm gonna put this on top just to bring it down a bit, just to show you guys. I kind of like the baby hairs as well. So I'm not going to cut the baby hair. I think I'm going to leave it for a bit. Yeah, looking good. It's looking good. So it came in a nice box, a really nice box, guys, and it came with these beautiful eyelashes, which I'll show you guys in a bit. And it came with a band, like those bands, like just in case if you don't want to grip it, but you can use the band. And I wasn't too keen on the band, because with the band it was like you had to stitch it on yourself, and I'm not keen on stitching it on myself. Like, why should I have to stitch it on myself? Like, I had to remember the name. I ordered I remember ordering a lace front unit from Recall, and I loved the packaging because it had the band, and it was options. You had an option either if you wanted to actually put the band in, but it was already like you know, like the back of your bras, how you can just clip it. So I already had the clip was already there. And with this one, it's like you have to stitch it on yourself, which I didn't really like that. I just thought they should have, oh, this is switched off, haha. It was switched off. Yeah, just gotta wait for that. I'll wait for that a bit. But it was yeah, I didn't really like that. And let me just, as that is heating up, guys, let me just show you. So yeah, so it came in this beautiful box, and as you can see, NA style. I love the box, really nice. And it talks about they're on Instagram, $5 reward, and then you got YouTube. You know, it amazes me when they say these $5 rewards, because I'm like, where do I claim this from? Where am I going to claim it from? Like, anyway, so anyways, it gives you some instructions on how to condition the hair, which is really good. And then obviously these, I've got so much of these now. And these lovely eyelashes, I really like them. They're very natural, and I love the little kind of sparkling in the back. I really need to do my eyebrows, guys. I really need to get down and, you know, go to the eyebrow place, because it is looking very bad. So this band is what I was talking about. Like, seriously, like, just would have been good if it had the little clips on, and then you just clip it on the wig. Like, I don't have time to be stitching. I don't have time. But anyways, you know, hopefully they'll look at this review and realize that they need to do that. So yeah, so I'm gonna just straighten it a bit. So this is heat 2. I like black because it just has that nice healthier look, but this is more like a natural color, which, yeah. guys, so that is it. This is it. I've done it. Obviously I haven't glued it down because I thought it was a glueless wig, what they said, but it wasn't a glueless wig. So they lied to me on that one. But other than that, the quality is amazing. It is amazing. And yeah, it comes pre-plucked and the quality is good. So yes, I think if you wanted curls and stuff, and especially if you wanted the curls to keep, you will have to put a tiny bit of layers, cut a bit of layers so the curl can keep, because if you're going to curl it, it would only just stay down here and it'll just kind of drop. So if you do want it curled and stuff, yeah, just put some layers in. But I'm going to keep it straight because I like it straight. So that is it, guys, for my review, guys. And oh yes, I am loving this.